Good day. My name is Loran Balvance. I'm the president of USM WearTech that has a lot of new innovations for the ag industry. You'll see us in many places, but we are using this video mechanism to try to explain things one-on-one basis with the farmer, dealers, or whoever is looking. While we were developing the Cade Edge, and we showed everyone about the wear factors of the Cade Edge, and it doesn't wear from the top down, it wears from the bottom up. Thus the carbide edge is put on the bottom. This is what you expect to make your the product last anywhere between 3 to 5 times longer. Then we developed another name for this, and because it's more associated with what happens, it's called the wheel tracker. So the wheel tracker became, you'll see these brochures almost everywhere. If you don't, we'll send you one. But that kept us moving forward on many avenues. And the avenues that we then moved on to, that we could actually impact yields, compaction, nutrient retention, water retention. How are we going to do that? And we very quickly came up with vertical cultivation. It's the ability to still do the cultivation and at the same time be able to penetrate the soil another 3 inches, especially in the wheel tracks or literally in the front 2 rows of the cultivator. This will impact yields, soil retention, weeds, you name it. It's going to do a better job than a standard sweep. This is being introduced this year. It's available certainly on John Deere, Case IH, Weiss, Nichols, all of them that I think want it. So you're not left out any way, shape, or form, and we look forward to being able to get these to you. And there's an introductory offer for these to get them in the field, and all we ask is you give us the feedback. So there is a cost savings on this just to prove a point. The second thing is happening with vertical cultivation is the fact that we will also be doing tests with USDA and Iowa State University. So they can do the actual comparisons on what impact it has on yields. 1%, 2%, 5%, we don't know. It will be something. When you can put that much more penetration into the soil, open it up, the areas for the roots, the nutrients, moisture, something is bound to happen. This is a patent pending process. We have many processes that are patent pending, but this has a carbide edge to hold this fin in place. It should wear about the same distance and time as the standard sweep that already has the carbide edge on the front. So this is a pretty powerful tool to hit the marketplace. We would be happy to explain this further in detail. You can call us, look for the videos, or we have personal representatives in the field that will be happy to come by and see you on a face-to-face basis. So you have access by dealers or representatives that are able to properly explain what we're doing with this thing. We're pretty excited about it. There's been a couple that have tried knockoffs of what we're doing, but we have 2 years of history, data on a lot of things, 3D scans. The calculations for this was done by Iowa State University on what's the correct angle. So we have many factors that back this up going forward. So look forward for the vertical tillage and look forward to vertical cultivation, which is actually an oxymoron. So it does work. And we have 2 years of field trials. We know what doesn't work. We know what does work. We invite you to take a look at this. This is the newest and latest thing to hit the ag industry. And we thank you for your time. And please call 1-800-800-again-1812. Look for it on our websites, usmweartech.com or cadenedge.com.